Hey everyone, today I took you to some of Bangkok's top destination, temples, riverfront, and even stunning fountain show. Come along and it can help your Bangkok adventures. First, we choose the Chao Phraya River hop of boat tour for unlimited rides in one day.
Wow!
So our first stop is Wat Arun. So this is Wat Arun, also known as the Temple of Dawn. This is one of the most iconic temples in Bangkok. It's famous for its beautiful design and stunning when the sunlight hits it. We also got the chance to try the traditional Thai costume here at the Regent Costume. It was such a fun experience and it made exploring the temple even more special. Last, is a great way to appreciate the culture. So, this is located outside the temple. It costs 150 baht from head to toe, including the accessories and the hair. But the makeup here is not included. Since naka-makeup naman kami, hindi na namin inabil. They also offer na pwede naming iwanan yung gamit namin. So, yung iba naming dala, iniwan na namin sa shop. Then, binalikan na lang namin. Kasabay ng pagbalik ng costume namin. So, here, yan. Meron kaming photographer na nag-picture sa amin inside the temple kasi mas alam nila kung saan yung best spot. Saka, mas better yung kuha nila compare sa amin. So, yan si Kuya, si number 389. Hanapin nyo na lang siya. Binigyan niya rin kami ng discount. Some rental, nag-offer na ng with photographer. But si Kuya, nakuha namin inside the temple. Nirent namin siya. Ito yung mga sample shot niya sa amin. Wala kami masabi kasi maganda talaga yung shot niya sa amin. Yan. Saka tinuturuan niya kaming umaura. Yan. Diba, maganda yung shot niya. Marami pa yan. Ito lang yung pinili namin. So, next, we are heading to Wat Phu. Nag-ride lang kami ng boat. Tatawid lang. Kabila. This is where you find the famous reclining Buddha. It's huge and covered in gold. Yes, in gold. Wat Phu is also known as the birthplace of traditional Thai massage. So, it's a must visit when you're in Bangkok. So, katapat lang naman siya ng Wat Arun. Kaya puntahan nyo na rin siya. Yan, nag-try din kami ay maghulog ka ng mga coins. Inside Wat Phu, makikita nyo pa rin itong mga magandang view na pwede kayo mag-picture and then may souvenir area din, but recommended na mas better sa Asiatic kasi medyo mahal nga lang dito. You can follow me on my other social media account like Facebook, Instagram, and short videos here in YouTube para sa mga videos kasi hindi kasya dito. Kaya may mga separate videos ako na nakalaan per place. You can watch that on my other account. You can see here lots of pwede pang picturean, aurahan. Then, nagpunta na ulit kami sa pier, sa station, wherein doon ulit kami sasakay sa hop-on, hop-off bus para makapunta naman kami sa Asiatic. Nag-wait lang kami ulit ng boat kasi only ride naman. So, ang color nun is red or blue for hop-on, hop-off boat sightseeing. And then, nadaanan na rin namin dito yung Icon Siam. Pero later tayo babalik dyan. Puntahan muna natin yung Asiatic, which is nasa dulong part nitong boat tour. So before that, nag-wait muna kami to this station. And then after that, welcome to Asiatic, the riverfront. After exploring the temples, we're here at Asiatic the riverfront. It's like a night market and mall combined right by the river. There are lots of food stall, shops, and even a Ferris wheel. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the Bangkok vibe, especially at night. But during our visit, afternoon, kami pumunta kasi yung nightlife namin, ilalaan namin for Icon Siam. So, umikot na kami dito and then namili kasi mas mura dito yung pasalubong. So, may hahanapin kayong shop para makabili kayo ng mga murang ref magnet, bags, and other souvenirs. So, yan, hinahanap muna namin. And, makikita nyo siya sa loob. And, ito yung itsura niya. Yan. Yay! Sabi ni Kuya, lalaki kasi yung nagbebenta dyan. Siya daw yung pinakamura nga dyan. Sa labas nito, mga 200 baht. But here, may mga 65 baht na bag. After that, kumain kami sa front of corn pad thai and Thai food as usual para matry yung mga Thai food here sa Asiatic. Then after that, umalik na ulit kami, nag-boat ride ulit kami papunta namang Icon Siam kasi may oras talaga yung last boat from Asiatic to Icon Siam pabalik sa iba pang mga station. And this is our last stop, the Icon Siam. This is one of the biggest and most luxurious mall in Bangkok. It's not just for shopping. There's also an indoor floating market. Plus, some cool cultural displays. The view here is amazing. We also witnessed the iconic multimedia water fountain show. This fountain show is reportedly the longest in Southeast Asia, stretching over 400 meters with high-tech water jets, lights, and laser choreographed to music. The show usually runs in the evening at around 7 p.m., 8 p.m., and 9 p.m. Watching the fountains dance alongside the lights by the river was the perfect way to end our Bangkok adventures for second day. Then after that, we decided to go back inside the mall. And makita nyo to. Inspired by Rainbow Effect. Sikat yan sa social media. So, binidyohan na rin namin para ma-add din namin sa aming video here at YouTube. Also, we decided na rin na pumunta sa rooftop kasi maganda yung view sa rooftop. Makikita niyo yung Pop Mart na mag-o-open pa lang. And also the night light here. The night skyline. Wow! Nag-picture-picture na lang din kami dyan. And then, we decided na pumunta sa indoor floating market and ordered some roti and drinks para ma-experience din naman namin. Yan yung in-order ko, banana roti. Then after that, we decided na umuwi na. But sa Icon Siam, sa dulo nun, may 7-Eleven. So, bumili na rin kami ng aming food. Yan. It's time to go home na. Pagbalik namin, dumaan kami sa Kaohsiung Road. And during that time, ito yung time na nandito yung endorsement ni Netflix sa Squid Game. Yan, nadaanan din namin siya. So, after that, ito, papakita namin yung mga selfies namin during our visit in Asiatic and Icon Siam. So, inorganize na namin para hindi na sobrang haba nitong video. Thanks for tagging along our Bangkok journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know which spot was your favorite. See you next time!